Eye Nensoko TV Uburoso bw'umugusi.
Alamisi yechitariki kianda mwancho murigeria mutinyo Ikomi mwako igabwechiri bubere 25 Chinsa n'Ikomi chia bono marogoba ngo kwarigania semesa yama yakuru ensoko asenchira yobwenge tunyarako batogosanga na korigeria nararia ya aene kiwe na boigo nararia togendate kukwariganira senchira yoboikirano asobot kubwarero gikoragensa eyamo na isato chabot konche kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bagaria batoko bwaterana na barabukuru ase studio ya kabere kone kiamaro gine chibicha ngochara senchirengia to saboikaransoike opena intukurbono Ikomi. Karibu sana mwancho murigeria wana Amayia kuru ensoko Chinsa Ikomi to chakana robotiro kubwatia hasaba sai 50 na babere hase emyemo abo banyarako bagosirwa asoko soma bosase chikosi chamaboko ime yechискuru chobobundi ao ime ye county ya Kisii kurwa sebengi ya KCB nigobono bare nekibako gokera maiga yebengi yokuba ebintu birache bose birache gokorera emiremo yabo nigobono korengana no mutendri bwebengi yo Rosagia Rui County ya Kisii haereire igoro yogo basira bose haereire igoro yoko basira aigento kirache kobakonya barabo kwegenderia asema gimabo murikito Bethuel machini nagendete kubwaterira robot yoro kurenda negati haya ne kiwaso muroberio
asama lieta ngoro James Maganda umutenene gwe banki ya Kenya Commercial Bank ga Bosongo lero ne wiki yene ya customer week na intubu na KCP abana mbale tuwa bere tugo sponsor as a technical training institutes like Kisii National Polytechnic ekerubugie tai na keroka bali bakorire ekosi eli tuwa sponsored for 6 months abana abambali tuwanyorete na batali kwenyara abandi batigete skuru asengenjo ye school fees lakini bari ready gukora masomo tukabaimokia tukabakora interview bakagenda through college examination bakachaka gukora chikosi kiri baganetie bono ba qualified abairu chi certificate chikosi mbali mbaro bakorete amangana ya mache amangana ye stima amangana ye tukia amona amangana yo borugi na bonsi no balegaiga tu sponsor abana emia yemo lakini rero abana tokwa equipments bachiko chakiregasi bali bakorete buya na abana 82.
Naitwa Vera Kwamboka kutoka Keroka. Tumekuja hapa leo wa KCP kutupea vifaa zenye tunaenda kufanyia kazi, na ninashukuru KCP kwa sababu tulikuwa nyumbani hatuna kazi ya kufanya, tukapata KCP tuchiachiri. Wameitana wametumana watu vijijini, vijana kama sisi vijana tujitokeze watulipie school fees. Wametulipia kama 6 months. Mimi nimefanya hair dressing, sikuwa najua kitu yoyote. Sasa hii nimejua kusonga, sasa hii wamenipea blow dry, naenda kufanyia kazi. Sasa nimeanza kazi yangu binafsi, siendi kufanyia mtu kazi. Ninashukuru KCP sana.
Mimi nimepata skills mingi kupitia KCB. Nimejua kuweka maji, block sewages na kuweka maji, kupump maji kutoka ndani ya kizima nikichukua juu. Nimejua vitu mingi kupitia KCB Bank. Niko tayari kwenda kufanya kazi. Please, tafadhali tuite kazi, tuchangamkie kazi. Tunashukuru.
Tukoska bosio mwancho morigeria umwemsio mochore Brian Opande Mokaya niko litukoria rero hati anigwe inse kiama kia ODM maigaya ya Dickson Machungu Mogaka ogochorwa kwae gutuguterware nekigambiro Kenya mira maiga yekina kiaye kotegererwa no sasa goswa kwae abisi nigo bono munyakirogo bwobochori ne chimbebe Erastus Edung Ethekon araririe kirogo kio kobabosa egento omonogeri bwe bunge Nyamira agenda bosio na komutiania Brian Mokayo Murikito Steven Nyariki mbunde na agenda kubwatiria oroboti uru kurinde haigani gati hayanekigwa ase bunge yo ye county ya Nyamira.
Order, honourable members, order. We expect dead silence as the oath is being administered.
I, Brian Mokayo, shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly Member at Nyamira County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and the conventions of Parliament, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Schedule 1, Nyamira County 046, marginalized list. Delete Dixon Machungo Mogaka, gender male, ID as listed, ending with 490. Nature of interest, youth. Name of party, Orange Democratic Movement. Seats allocated 1. Insert. Number 3. Name, Brian Opande Mokayo.
Mwancho murigeria roboti uru no chikoro nyora senchira yubu ikiradu asemesa ma yakuren sokense yamo na isato chubu tukobwara kurinde tugoskabosio abamenyi bekenyoro Kenya Ikomi kigutoka ase ward ya Marani nsemo ya bunge ya Kitutu cha North County ya Kisii nigo baesokire na kurobekana kubwatekana ne parembe eyo etari gweteka anene mono chinga kichiga chiembure nyinge eyo hegendrete gotwa eyo yabeirege kurema gusige kuremwa na gutigerwa nchira itaraikirana Murikito Caroline Maosa na atarito yuka Chinsa mechaga sangane birengerero bya bananchi orobotiro ya senchira y'ubikirana.
Abamenyi kurwe kenyoro Kenya Ikomi ywe gotoka me wadi ya Marani bunge ya Kitutu cha North nigo besokire sobonge na koro kya okogechugwa kwabo kubwatikana na kilibagote babuna no gutaroserigwa gwepara wikabona bune mburegenderete gutwiga epare iteriko bage gweteka
ipara nere ekole mukuru kendegere yabenye kobe kwa moro muya ekiragesie ka yatigeruo ego chakera kuruo maseno gesieka o maseno nera ali ase pare yu ego bere irie kamanya goche yamanya kogenda chikubwata bwo geto libebe lya omabei pare ite tere igekole mulimo aso mwaka nande yatiwo nande yayimoke ebibiriria oro sana epare yuono monte yogo etekero mbura yature igera chintinde chioka
Korengana na bamenyi abunigo bakweresa buna epare yaberege gotigwa asege kegetambe abwase ko bage kore mwakorende teriko bage kobekwa emorom bone gento kerire barabuko gechigwa na gwesokia eriko mubolyo mu MCA we ward yo nyare ko baga kubwaterana no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii eriko eneke buna nkobekerwa bare epare yu omoromu
pare yokoranga machieso nara epare it is within the mandate of the county government of Kisii. So this squarely lies as MCA no mugaba naito okorukusimba arati Simba abande bakoboria okorora chikaunti ejire ibere ekaunti ya South ne ya North ejinge buna njibwe kaini South igae gare bare koromwa mpaka moro mu okobekwa mangana yakoraki North yaro ekero yari miru omonto orima okorora obeka kabesa muguko yatigwa igo twatebete ng'epare njare metubobe egasaria ebinto bia bantu including mpaka nje orubago rukaera kabisa tugateba yaya tigo orubago rorusigwe ogeche bare koreki
boigo nigo barĩire chindoche chiabeire chigosarika egento basabire bono mu MCO banyare ko bagakobakonya aso kubarosaria chindoche echio ekento kieirire barabu kogenda gochiase ebunge ng'ao erikonyora amache
oroche kwanza rore mahata igo tosinyire ng'a tokwambuka twanda ng'umbuke kenyoreke ng'ao twachi kobucha amache ekero kiomogaso batoteneni ntori kobucha ng'a ntori gochanga
Togocha oroche ndori mahata Isaya. Twarengo oroche orokoro kurumwa 58. Kurumwa 58 oroche norore unege tacho kiare kobuchu bosaiga. Umbachi akamenya gocha kabeka gento kieke ng'ao chare kororosia. Akarenta amagena ya manena agachiagatorera bono ensoke imachi taigo soka bono. Abantu bakogenda roche kurwanya kombe ngumbwa igabagonjo kabagenda bakangumbu esukuru onywere bamenya chikogenda kuchia nsoko giteka limo inari mwakonda limitwe kuchoeri bono inero ngakie ine bono igo ngakiere
boigo nigo basabire banyare ko bakobekerwa estima abwase batebire buna nigo ekenyoro kia Nyakome B na Nyakome C getabwati omorero goikaboniga
Nyakome A nere bwate stima yesukuru PC tebwate stima igo ntwakwana togandebinga notake togokora maximization ntwege netenga murai kora bwango nande bagosaba ng'a hakuna haja oetie stima none chibando ime tige stima ta maendeleo ye pare rie korweroga egende soke gochika nyambi gosena kimoroche
Yinko reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwa Nyakome imewadi ya marani bunge ya Kitutu Chache North County ya Kisii elietaria Nemausa Caroline
Matuka make haetire kure serikali yensego chakyo moroberio onyota uyogochia gokonya abasae kwenyorera obokonyi kurwase serikali na kwegenderia sobogima bwabo bono niga bamenye be county ya Nairobi banyare ko baguesokia na gukwandra hengane iyo no moroberio yo hase bono batebire turi gochia gokonya abukuru bose kuru bokonyi bonde bwensigo chiase abananchi.
Even if you give them credit to start small business, small income generating businesses, how long will they run those small income generating businesses? Because they are overtaxed. We are highly overtaxed in Kenya. Somebody cannot run a business. And that is why Hustler Fund has failed. Because people are being overtaxed, people cannot run a business.
Kini nyote na Hustler hakuna tofauti. Ni ile ile. Hii mambo mnakuja naye ya kuhelp vijana. Mtaka kufund vijana through Nyota program. It is good. But program hiyo najua wataingia na masangwenya ndani, kutakuwa na ukora mingi ndani ambaye tangikwe machua itakuwa imevurugwa na wakora wengi ndani kwa sababu hakuna mtu ambaye kwa government hapa mzuri. Kila mtu ambaye ako hapo anaingia na interest yake. Hatuchukue nani anaingia na interest yake.
Ndio empowerment tunaona mnatuambia hii mambo ya Nyota program iko sawa, but je, kama niko na swali naweza kama ni hutu unapata hii Nyota program ndio iko, lakini ukinipatia 10,000 nianzishe biashara then you overtax me. Unaelewa? Ni ukishani ni taxiwe na kanjo individual akuje nimpe 100. Haya, county government one tax. Haya, national government one tax. In a day the taxation ifike kitu kama 500.
Then they have come up with another thing called Nyota. It will also collapse. Why? Because it is not the mandate of the government to do business, to give out loans. No government in the world does that. It is the mandate of the government to allow the private sector to grow. The government must create a conducive environment for credit institutions like banks so that they can be able to provide credit facilities to Kenya.
Egekaro gia komesa entunde 24 nigo gia so asiri tukoria kane hasabara ibe Chinsa icho chira babwatani baikirana asomocho Nairobi heriogo sange birengererio na koria kobeka emeroberio yokoria gokinia obonchoreri ase orugongo rwa Africa ya mocha neria ya irianyi bakorogo no muraibwensi ya Kenya William Ruto nigo basabire orugongo rwa Africa gwanchira no botumiki we mitando ase obonchoreria herigo chigokinia uchumi ya Chinsa echichira babwatani.
Although we have made commendable progress towards realizing the aspirations of the Africa Union's Agenda 2063, and that is to transform Africa into a formidable global force, our journey is far from complete. Regional economic communities like COMESA remain a central pillar for achieving sustainable economic growth and continental integration.
This year's focus on digital solutions for stronger, more inclusive regional economies could not be more relevant. Digital transformation offers a unique chance to rewrite Africa's economic story. It is about building digital public infrastructure that allows people to prove who they are, make payments securely, access service easily, and connect across borders.
This summit marks an important milestone in Zimbabwe's participation in the affairs of our regional community. Zimbabwe is committed to the ideals of regional integration, trade liberalization, and collective self-reliance that underpin this organization.
We have the responsibility to see how we allow our traders to move freely in our region so that we can help them to respect the commitments at the continental level. We really need to work so that our integration program is a success.
Tukuskabusio mwanchumu rigereria umugiro b'abanyagitari bateresa ase county ya Siaya nigo soire ase rituko ria gatatu rero nigo bono baburire serikali county eyo enyare ko bagikorigereria amaganio abo eyo banyare ko bakoiranira emeroberio yabo.
We are calling the county government of Siaya. Kindly, could you please remit these deductions that you make monthly from our salaries so that we can get services from the SACCOs, the insurances, the pension schemes, including the lab fund.
Our return to work formula that was signed in November 2017 has to be implemented fully, where we were to get an annual increment of 5,000 in uniform allowance. We were also to get an increase of risk allowance from 3,850 to 5,000. We were also to get an increase of nursing service allowance annually by 3,000.
Mancho murigeria wikira guno tuikira omwerio bwa mayakuru ensoko Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge aiga negati ya ritokanete gokwarigandia asenchira yoboikiranu heriro chiko yanyora asemese mayakuru ensoko enseyemo ni Chinsa isatu chobu tukobwarero nere Ishmael Mogere kendra gotware marogobengia abigoto skare gendra kwego kenemeroberia gendreta sembeo yensoko TV nchenkor kwa Clinton Ndigi tomerananda sembeo nyasaye kawanje.